Guess what arrived? An app-controlled, cordless water dental flosser. So let's open it up. A ver qué tal. So check this out. This is rechargeable. Super cool. It goes right here. Thank you so much for being my friend. And blam. To floss and massage. So this is what you attach on here. So you just push it in place. It comes with 2 and 2. So you can share it with somebody. They can have their own. Put the water in here. Here is the button to start. So check this out. This is the one that you would use for your app, and you can actually look in there. This is perfect for sensitive teeth. An adjustable water pressure flow for a deep, refreshing cleaning. So keep your smile shining every day. Shop now, get yours.